How to get AP on IMVU. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get AP on your IMVU. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open up any browser on your device and then search for IMVU. Then go to the IMVU website. Then if you have not logged in, tap on login in the top right corner. Enter here your email and here password and then tap on login. If you want to continue with Apple, you can tap here. If you want to continue with Facebook, you can tap here. Then once you are logged in, here you have to tap on the three lines in the top left corner. Then here scroll down, tap on IMVU Classic website. Then wait for it to load, and once the Classic website is loaded, you have to tap on account. So zoom in and here in the top right side you will see account. Tap on it. Then here in your account, zoom in and scroll down, and here in the bottom you will see access pass. Tap on it. Now here zoom in and here you will see buy your access pass today. So to buy, you just have to tap on buy and then it will take you to the payment page. Now from here, you can select a package and select the upgrades you want. So we have selected here access pass, and then you have to tap on checkout and continue with the payment process. And so this is how you can get AP on IMVU. Thanks for watching.